Alright, back on the bike. So we're going to put a new rubber here in the front. This one appears to be slightly petrified. The missing part of it. This nice new one right here it is.
Pop center out of it.
Pop the center. Pop is cork. You got a cork popper? Yeah, I hold that. Pretty hard to hold. Almost like you have experience of doing that.
It's pretty complicated, but
It is.
I think I can muster through it.
You got the rubber on the other side in there?
I'm sorry?
The other side go in?
That's kind of how it goes.
Okay.
Yeah?
Well, I didn't want to go in. I was seeing the other side was all the way around.
Oh, I see. Yeah, we're good to go.
Okay, so it's rubber mount in the front, solid mount in the back, so the chain guards break right through there. Right where that crock right there is? That's where they crack.
That's where they start.
Yeah, that's how they work. Bad design.
Yep.
Either solid mounted or rubber mounted. Don't do both.
Wow.
Can you get your Loctite out yet or not?
I'm going for that as we were speaking here. I don't need red.
Blue, right here.
There you go.
We got a nice brand new shiny bolt to put in the back because it was missing.
And the experienced one in the front.
This might be too long. Let me see. Yeah, we're good. Chain guard in there. Got a little extra on there in case it gets loose.
Yeah.
If you make exactly the right length, then there won't be any hesitation for it to fall out because you're not going to know it's going to be rattling around for at least a couple 100,000 miles.
Yeah. Be paying attention to be behind the saddlebag and won't
Yeah, so
hear it rattling.
we'll give it a little bit more length on it so it'll take a little bit longer before it drops down onto the chain.
Yeah.
Just in case. Check out that technique, our handle method. Yeah, all the bolts are blocked by things that you can't put a socket on them. Chrome covers up here and crash bar back here block
I
everything.
think we can get to that one with a 1/4 inch drive. This one maybe not so much.
Yeah, there's a wrench that works. I like my offset box wrenches though, they're more fun. These work better for things like that. Gee, we fixed all these rattles in the bike. They might not rattle as bad.
And they're honestly never noticed any rattles before, but
Oh, it's all hidden behind the saddlebags.
I guess. Yeah, I didn't notice the chain guard was missing a bolt. Two
Yeah.
apart.
Chain rubbage didn't make any difference.
Yeah.
Of course, you didn't ride it very far.
No, I didn't.
About 15 miles.
Something like that. A little hairy and kind of scary with that ornamental brake. Getting used to the 2014 with the Brimbos on it, and then you get on this thing and it's
Doesn't stop at all.
literally, you reach for the front, there's nothing, you hit the back and the
Got worse.
rear wheel just squeeges to a stop.
Yes. Didn't slow down much on the way.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna have to do a few other things here. Probably should put the footboard on here and everything like that too for the hell of it. There we go. We'll get back here out of the way a little bit so you can see better. Get that sunlight outside to script the video. Someone's got the little ratchet somewhere. no lock washer and Loctite don't stick to oil. Good combo. Oh, the oil is still slipping on this floor over here. I think it would have wore away by now. All right, we got a little lock washer here. All nice and tight.
Yeah.
Where's the screws for here?
Right here. All 3 of them.
Okay. Takes 4 though.
Oh man, that's one too much, right?
That's right. There's 7/16 floating around here.
No, yeah.
Hang on a bit.
That's 7/16 in this flavor.
Yeah.
That's when you put the bolt in from the back. Once you put the bolt in from the front. That way if the nut falls off, it's less,
Because it's
you get
supposed to
forward
go.
momentum, there's less chance the bolt's going to fall off.
Because Harley did it this way.
Yeah. Harley does a lot of screwed up things.
That might be true, but this is how Harley wanted it done. And we know they know everything. They are never wrong. In spite of what aircraft manufacturers have stated for about 100 years now. So, the nuts go on the inside on Harley. That's how they do it. So he's saying you put the bolt in this way so the bolt will constantly be pushed in and won't just fall out. Because this is at an angle when you put the bike down on the ground. But that is not how Harley does things. So we duplicate Harley's way of doing things. You can change it though if you want.
Yeah.
But that'll have to be later after it falls off. You have to go dig it around on the street for the missing bolt that you didn't know it fell off.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we find 4 screws or only 3?
Oh.
Okay, we're going to leave this off for later because I want to see if there's any oil getting to that primary before I button this thing all up. Just to be different. What else we got that's not done yet?
I think we're down.
I think we forgot to put this on. Did we need that?
Still on?
Sure.
Okay.
Missing parts.
Um,
Why don't we get a box for all that junk over there that we're not using? We didn't put this back either. I don't know where it came from.
that was, I think it was on the seat post.
Oh, that was some of the accessory drive stuff.
Some of that stuff. Don't throw it away.
This is some
If I
rubber.
decide to use
This
it.
is some rubberized. We'll go fast, goodie.
You throw it away after I told you to throw it?
Yeah,
Just don't listen with this shit.
I know better than listen to people.
All right.
Let's pull that buddy seat noisemaker off the top up there while we're at it.
I'm still not totally sure that I want to.
Well, if we're gonna leave it on there, let's just take it off and put a washer behind it so it torques down. How about that?
I guess we can live with that. We just put a zip tie around it to hold it down so it doesn't rattle.
Yeah, that would work, or just do it correctly.
Okay, your flavor correctly it is.
Take it off and put another washer on it, or
You take it off.
try to tighten it up and see if it stays tight.
I'll put it with the seat in case I decide to change it out.
Here, I'm halfway there. I got 1 wrench.
There. Size that?
9/16. There's one there too.
Hmm. You want me to say?
Oh, there goes the chrome. Go for it, boss. You don't suppose they have that tight, do you? Looks like your nut's coming off because mine didn't move.
Yeah. It should slide right through. Shouldn't be an issue.
Okay, pull it off. What? I was going to put a washer in there. Is there any kind of a stop? There shouldn't be any kind of a stop on that. Is
There's
the
a-
nut bottomed out or something? Or what?
There's a
There's a shoulder on there? Something in there holding up. You got some little nuts on the inside is what they're doing?
got some kind of a shoulder
Oh, they got a screw
spacer.
on. There's a screw on nut. I remember now. The only problem,
Come back here.
you can't get these things off of here without. Must be some burrs on there.
Story of getting it apart, huh?
Yes, we are.
Where's that flashlight at?
Flashlight. You mean this thing? Oh. You dumbass.
Yeah, that don't belong there.
This accessory screw up here might be the problem.
Huh.
Dumbass. See this nut here? You unscrew this down a little bit further, and then it'll torque further. It's a nut. Where's your wrench? Lose it?
What wrench is that?
That's like hand locks. You don't suppose you put that on there extra tight, do you? Oh, that is tight. Oh, I think they Loctited that on there or something. It appears it doesn't want to move.
I'll just leave it off. Don't worry about it.
So that means I have to use a vise to hold it to get it broken free. Put it back. Alright, he decided not to put it back on, so okay, we'll leave it off. So we need to get the seat up onto here, which goes up under this. And he had that thrown over here somewhere hiding. There it is, right there. This is my coat holding. That's my coat rack right here. See, it's a 1950 panhead coat rack. Well, this looks like a genuine reproduction.
It is.
Where's your genuine reproduction hardware that goes with it?
That we're going to have to come up with.
Oh, you didn't bring any of the hardware to hold it. That's going to make it hard to do. It appears that we need about that much spacer in the back to make it flat.
For Christ's sakes.
Get your butt up there higher in the air. Make you feel better. So you didn't bring a mounting kit?
No, I figured I'd gotta take some of the stuff off of here and use the front piece off of this.
I'm not sure. What do you got on the front of that one over there? Ooh, that's that chrome Gucci stuff. Extra parts. I found a battery bolt. I knew we had one.
What?
I found a battery bolt.
Okay.
Put down
This
here
actually
a
isn't
piece of
the
wood.
correct bolt either, I guess, for the... You got a mounting kit?
Not right in front of me.
Oh, I know, it's not right in front of you.
Those are a little bit harder to come by than just finding them.
Wonder if we had some of that colony stuff in stock that he's like, oh, well, just let me go get that for you
I
right here.
probably do have some of that stuff floating around if I go look for it.
Okay.
Possibly. All right, why don't you go ahead and get the battery hooked up. I'm gonna go ahead and put away a bunch of these tools. We'll be back.